What's going on, guys? This is Chris Basio, co-founder of Tomb 45, and today we're at the Tomb 45 warehouse doing business as usual. Guys, if you are interested in scaling your business, your brand, your products, come on out to the 2021 Miami Barber Health and Wellness Summit, where we're going to be discussing and teaching you guys the tools that it takes to build and scale your business. Hey guys, I wanted to show you this and how big of a deal this is. So I feel like a lot of times you'll see people flexing a lot of times. Bro, look, this is my car. This is my daily driver. This container right here holds over $1 million worth of product. As a company, as a business, we don't spend a single dime on ourselves because we have goals that we've set for ourselves. You're in control of that. You're in control how high you turn that thermostat, man. Some people want, just a business that's gonna pay the bills, and that's fine. But I can tell you, it don't matter what background you have, where you come from, wherever you set your standards, ultimately that's the best you're gonna reach a lot of times. Now, you can start a business, have a certain standard set, and then raise your standards as you grow, because you will grow into that individual that can meet what's required of those standards, right? But I just wanted to show you guys this, not to brag or anything like that, but to inspire y'all. Yo, this started with shave gel in the kitchen, man, and it's a moment for me. I was just talking to Danny because we didn't think 245 was gonna be able to do some of the things that it's doing right now, but it goes to show, man, you put in the work, you grow, as you're going through experiences, and then your belief level starts to grow as well. Before you know it, you got a thriving business where instead of it being just a business that pays the bills, bro, we put everything back into it because we want it to be major. We want this to leave a lasting impression even when we're gone. And we don't do this for the money, man. We really do this because it's some dope shit, man. It's amazing. It's amazing to experience and create and innovate and elevate. The bigger platform that you build, the more you can do for others, for yourself, for your family. It's an amazing thing, man. So just want to share this part of the business with y'all, because you guys, if you've been following me since the early vlogs, you guys remember when we were scaling barbershops. So now we're scaling a brand, and I think it's important to show you guys along the journey. So this is part of the process, man. Now, this is a lot of work. Got an amazing team here that's helping unload everything, but getting the product is cool and everything, but now here's where the real work goes. We gotta ship all this product, we gotta organize it, unload it, and sell it. Let's go into the office here, see the guys working. If I don't say this enough, guys, I love y'all. I appreciate you guys, all my subscribers, all the love you guys give, all the support. Definitely couldn't have done it without you guys early on asking me to create a shave gel, asking me to go to shows, telling me that you would support, all these things. So it means the world to me. I appreciate you guys, man, if I don't say it enough. All right, guys, I'm going downstairs because I got a package, and you guys know how much I love unboxings. So we're gonna do an unboxing right now. Let's go do this unboxing, man. All right, here we go. Let's do this unboxing real quick. Microphone is closer. Using an old pair of shears. Don't use your good shears for that. It's not in your normal packaging, so I'm not gonna unbox it that way. We got some guards. Man, these guards actually kind of feel pretty good. Okay, what is this going to? What clipper is this going to? These guards are definitely different. Ooh. Oh yeah, you know who's gonna be jealous? S-Craft Blends is probably gonna be jealous. He likes these type of clippers. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, it's got the button. It's got the lock. You got the button that unlocks it. Cause I did hear that the first generation of these, I think the FX2s, the button used to wear out and it would just slide on its own. But now with that lock button, I'm sure they fixed that. Let's go to the nice camera so you guys can see it up close. There it is. That's pretty nice. The back is nice, real nice. Show you guys the open and closing action. What kind of blade is it? Ooh, that feels powerful. So it has different controls. So we're gonna operate just like this. Yep. Okay, it's got the little indicator lights to let you know about charging. Slap these guards on here, see what they're talking about. Oh yeah, they snap on. I'm gonna detail with these. I'm gonna use these a bunch, I bet you. All right, so I was looking at my messages, 5-hour runtime. Why is it that clippers like this, like even like the JRLs and stuff, have crazy runtime? 5-hour runtime, guys. Insane. And these feel powerful. These drop in September. Not really sure what the price is on them. I can definitely tell you though that this is definitely more like a European style clipper, like the Panasonics and stuff, but JRL's made it pretty popular here in the States as well. I like this style, especially for like detailing and for cutting bulk. I'll use these, especially with the power on them. I'll use these to clear out bulk and detail as well. You know, fading with them is a thing too. So the thing is that in the States, they're not as common. So like using them for like YouTube and stuff would be kind of tough to teach like fading and stuff, you know what I mean? We're not done here. They've sent me more stuff. Okay, this is the charger for it. This is cool. You get a little strap that you can put on the clipper. Yeah, so you put the strap right on the clipper. That's pretty cool. Then of course, Babyliss usually does really good, really nice packaging. Excited to see what kind of packaging they're gonna use on these. All right, so we're not done. We're not done. We got another, looks like another machine in here. All right, so of course you got your charger, got the strap. You know what I mean? Gotta have a strap. Got the oils. Ooh, guys, these are looking crazy. These are looking cool, bro. Should I show you guys these? Bro, these might be the ones. These might be the ones.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
I like the blade on it. Come on. I like the blade on that bad boy. Looks like it's a nice thin blade. Texture's really nice. Got a low profile right in here. Skeletoned out already. You can see they're skeletoned out already. I wonder what the run, if those are 5 hours, I wonder what the runtime is on these. I don't know what the runtime is on these. I like that little beep. They feel powerful as hell. They feel powerful as hell. Do y'all like the beep? I love just a little subtle beep, just to let you know that thing on. I like it. It looks like the cutter is DLC. So the cutter is probably C. Nice sleek feel, pretty nice. Let's see if let's compare them to the Slimlines. I got a pair of Slimlines right here. So these are not regular Slimlines. These are custom ones. They're custom and they're not. You know, regular Slimlines are not skeletoned out like this. It looks like these are a bit longer, but a bit slimmer, okay? You guys can see the difference here. See the back. See them side by side. See the front. Okay. I was trying to get this thing to fit in here, boy. Alright, so switch back to the nice camera. Alright, you can see them side by side. These are a little bit longer, but skinnier. These are skinnier. This feels nice. This feels nice too. I will say these feel definitely more powerful. Definitely more powerful. I feel like these feel like they would bog. Sometimes they do, especially with this blade on it. But no, this feels like power, like straight up power. Gotta try these out now. I got a few tools I gotta use for you guys to see. But so these are coming out in September, guys. If you're interested in this lineup, in this pairing, I also have shavers. So this lineup also is gonna come with shavers. I don't know if those come out. I think they're gonna come out all at the same time. I'm assuming September. But the shavers are hitters too. Like I'm feeling this lineup with the shavers. This is a strong lineup. It's a strong lineup. So I'm gonna use these for a couple haircuts, and I'll give you guys a updated review, what I think about them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, this vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow because we do daily content on this channel as always. Look out for final reviews on this and this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you're not gonna know when they drop, but they will be dropping. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow.